Students, today we will discuss about the molecular mass. How can we calculate the molecular mass by the easy method? First, we should know about what is molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum total of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. It is the sum total of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. We can take the example of HNO3. HNO3. It is the sum total of all the atomic masses of all the atoms present in this molecule. Now we will calculate the molecular mass of HNO3. First, separate the atom present in the molecule: hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Number of atom in the hydrogen 1. Number of atom of nitrogen 1. Number of atom of oxygen 3. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and mass number is 1. Nitrogen atomic number is 7 and mass number is 14. Oxygen atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16. Now, number of atoms multiplied with the mass number. Hydrogen mass number is 1 and nitrogen atomic mass is 14 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. Now 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 14 is equal to 14 and 3 into 16 is equal to 48. Now find out the molecular mass of this compound equal to 1 plus 14 plus 48. 8 and 8 plus 4 12, 1 13. 13, 4, 5 and 6, 63 U. Calculate the molecular mass of CaCl2. CaCl2 molecular mass. First write down the symbol Ca and Cl. Ca atomic number is 20 and mass number is 40. Chlorine atomic number is 17 and mass number is 35. Here calcium 1. One atom of the calcium is here and chlorine have 2 atoms because Cl2 means 2 atom of the chlorine multiplied with the mass 40 and multiplied with the mass 35. 40 into 1 40, 35 into 2 70. Now find out the molecular mass of CaCl2. 40 plus 70 is equal to 110 U. We will find out the molecular mass of CH3COOH. Now first separate the element carbon, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, oxygen and H. Here carbon have 1 atom, hydrogen have 3 atoms, carbon have 1 atom, oxygen have 1 atom, oxygen have 1 atom, hydrogen have 1 atom. Now carbon mass number is 6 and 12 multiplied with 12, hydrogen 1 multiplied with 1, carbon 6 and 12 multiplied with 12, oxygen atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16 multiplied with 16, again multiplied with 16 and hydrogen 1 multiplied with 1. 12 into 1 12, 3 into 1 3 and 12 into 1 12, 16 into 1 16, 16 into 1 16 and 1 into 1. Now find out the molecular mass of CH3COOH. It is the sum of all the atoms plus 16 plus 16 plus 1. This will become 3 and 2 5, 2 7, 6 13, 13 and 14 and 14 6 20. Carry 2. 1 2 3 4 and 2 6 60U. It's CS3 COOH. Molecular mass is 60U. Thank you.